Hi, this is Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1. Today I'm going to unbox these Halloween costumes. This year American Girl gave us 3 Halloween costumes. All these costumes are currently available on American Girl website. If you haven't gotten them yet but are thinking about it, this video is for you. And by the way, if you're new to my channel and interested in all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on that notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday and Saturday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Let's start with this pretty pumpkin outfit that retails at $40. This outfit is new this year. American Girl never made a pumpkin outfit for 18-inch dolls. They made a pumpkin outfit for bitty babies before. I thought this was cute and I decided to get it. The fabric on this outfit has some kind of built-in sequins. The whole outfit is very bright. I don't think my camera shows it well. Look at this adorable hat. It's so pretty. And the bottom is stretchy for a better fit. The top of it has an embroidered pumpkin stem and leaves. Those are so detailed. Such high quality. This is the main part of the outfit with a jack-o'-lantern on it. It's so cute. The jack-o'-lantern pattern is actually embroidered. I'm really impressed with the quality. The leaf parts on the top are felt. They're less detailed than the stem and the leaves on the hat, but still very cute. The sleeves are made out of stretchy black fabric. The bottom of this part is stretchy. It also comes with these striped leggings. They're very simple and very cute. I think you can actually use them for regular outfits. You don't have to use them just once a year for Halloween. The boots are really cute. They're made out of the sparkly material. I'm going to say this is a big improvement over plastic boots last year. Here's everything that comes in the box. I think this outfit looks amazing on my doll. This might be one of my all-time favorite American Girl Halloween costumes. So adorable. Next I'm going to open this You Glow Girl outfit, which also retails at $40. It's similar to one of the skeleton costumes from previous years, but the pattern on the chest is different. The main part is kind of a dress. And by the way, the white parts on it glow in the dark. Everything is printed, no embroidery. The fabric is stretchy. It looks similar to the fabric they use on leotards. The skirt has lots of layers. This outfit also comes with clip-on hair extensions. I think this is such a fun addition. If you have a doll with natural colored hair, this is a great way to add a little bit of color to it. You can actually braid it with the hair and give your doll a new look. The hair is the exact same quality as regular American Girl hair. leggings that come in this outfit. They also have a glow-in-the-dark pattern, and they're made out of the same material as the top. Let's take a look at the shoes. They have this magenta glitter, very sparkly, and I'm glad they're not plastic. This is everything that came in the box. Very cute outfit. Mine and Aya decided to try it on, and I think it looks very cute. What do you guys think? The last outfit for today is a Spooky Spells outfit. It also retails at $40. It was a super popular costume last year, and it sold out pretty fast. I remember people selling it on eBay for $200. Luckily, American Girl brought it back this year for all of us. The main difference from last year's outfit is the boots. This year's boots are not plastic. It's actually an upgrade. They're made out of this glittery material. I prefer it over the plastic. The broom is exactly the same as last year. It has a plastic thing for your doll to hold on to it. And here's the dress. I love the rainbow pattern on the sparkles. So beautiful. The black fabric is stretchy, and the belt and green underskirt look like satin. The upper part of the top is mesh. Now let's take a look at the hat. It's made with the same fabric as the dress, but it's also fully lined. The lined fabric is a little bit more stiff to let the hat hold its shape. It also comes with these adorable fingerless gloves. So cute. And here's a pair of striped socks. I think they can be worn year-round. I don't see anything else from this outfit that can be worn on a regular basis. Here's what my 119 looks like in this outfit. I think she looks so cute. This might be the best Halloween costume American Girl has ever made. So adorable. No wonder it was so popular last year. If you're still thinking whether you should buy it or not, I definitely recommend it. Here's what my dolls look like in all these costumes. I'm gonna say the Spooky Spells costume is my #1 favorite. I give #2 to the Pretty Pumpkin, and New Glow Girl goes to the 3rd spot. Please let me know in the comments how you'd rate these costumes. Also, please let me know if you own any of these or are planning to get some. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all things American Girl but not yet subscribed, please do so. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time I post a new video. I usually post every Wednesday and Saturday, but sometimes I post on other days as well. I always post the latest American Girl news and leaks. I also post crafts and unboxing. Thanks for watching and see you next time!